Okay. It's re- Do it again. Do it again. One more time.
One more time, Ava. Look. Okay, now watch this one. Okay. Okay, let's say now.